Welcome to the Incident Management series. In this video, we explore mean time to detect, or MTTD. MTTD is a critical metric that measures how quickly your organization can identify when something goes wrong in production. As systems become more complex and downtime becomes more costly, understanding and improving detection speed has never been more important. Mean time to detect, or MTTD, is the average time that passes between when an incident actually occurs and when it is first detected by your monitoring systems or team members. Think of it as the window of time during which a problem exists, but nobody knows about it yet. The shorter this window, the faster you can begin responding to and fixing the issue. MTTD is typically measured in minutes, hours, or sometimes days, depending on the complexity of your systems and the quality of your monitoring. Let's visualize how MTTD fits into the incident lifecycle. On the left, an incident occurs in your production environment. A problem starts affecting your systems. Then, your monitoring tools or your team identifies that something is wrong. The time between these two events is your MTTD. Faster detection means you can respond quicker and minimize the impact on your customers and business. This is why reducing MTTD is a priority for incident management teams. Several factors influence how quickly you can detect incidents. Monitoring coverage is the foundation. If you are not collecting comprehensive metrics, logs, and traces across all your systems, you will miss incidents. Alert sensitivity matters too. Poorly tuned alerts either generate too much noise or miss real problems. Your team's response speed is critical. Even with perfect detection, if humans take too long to verify and act, MTTD stays high. Finally, infrastructure scale and complexity affect detection difficulty. Microservices, multi-cloud deployments, and distributed systems are harder to monitor effectively. MTTD is often confused with other incident metrics, so let's clarify the differences. MTTD measures only the detection phase. It is the time from incident start to first detection. Mean time to resolve, or MTTR, is different. MTTR includes everything after detection. It includes the time to diagnose the problem and fix it completely. Then there is mean time between failures, or MTBF. This measures how often incidents happen in the first place. It is about prevention and system reliability, not detection speed. Understanding these distinctions helps you focus on the right improvements for your organization. To improve detection speed, focus on 4 key strategies. First, enhance your monitoring. Deploy comprehensive observability tools that collect metrics, logs, and traces from every component of your system. Create custom dashboards for critical services. Second, implement smart alerting. Use machine learning and anomaly detection to reduce false positives and catch real issues faster. Third, automate detection and response where possible. Build self-healing systems and automated runbooks that trigger immediately upon detection. Fourth, invest in your team. Provide clear runbooks, conduct incident drills, and establish efficient on-call rotations so humans can respond quickly when automation cannot. Let's look at a practical example. At 2:23 p.m., a database connection pool becomes exhausted and requests start failing. At 2:28 and 45 seconds, an alert fires because monitoring detects a spike in connection errors. This means MTTD equals 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Good monitoring infrastructure detected the issue quickly, allowing the team to investigate and fix it within minutes instead of hours. Without that monitoring, the problem might have gone unnoticed much longer, affecting many more customers. Here are the 4 key takeaways. First, MTTD measures how fast you detect incidents after they start. It is the time from incident occurrence to first detection. Second, detection speed directly impacts your response time. Faster detection enables quicker fixes and dramatically reduces downtime and customer impact. Third, improving MTTD requires multiple strategies working together. Better monitoring, smarter alerts, automation, and trained teams all play a role. Fourth, track and optimize MTTD continuously. In mature incident management programs, lowering MTTD is an ongoing goal that drives investment in tooling, processes, and people. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.